Today we want to treat on how you can go about the token when you want to log in, especially if you are doing that for the first time or you are doing that subsequently and you really don't understand how it works. So all you basically need is a Google Authenticator. This integration is to secure your store, to ensure that there is no other system that is going through your store. It's a second phase authenticator that gives you an assurance that your store is safe. So we are going to go through that now. So the first thing is I want to log in. So, and you need to ensure that you put the proper token on the login page. It's just like let's say an OTP. So to just this is to just verify that you are the owner of the store. That is why this security measure is in place. So once you put the code, that will certify the owner of the store. So I want to log in with one of my account. I'm not sure I've activated the stuff. So right now I've not activated it, so let me try and activate it. So this is what you see. I'm doing that for the first time. This is what you see. You have to set up your second authenticating account, so for which you are going to need to ensure that you are the only person that has access to it. So I'll just go ahead and click OK. But first you need to go and download Google Authenticator. That is where the code is going to be sent. So the code you see from your Google Authenticator, you place it on your login so that you can have a chance to go inside. So already I've downloaded one. Now scan. So I'm not going for that. Alternatively, you can enter the service key manually. So I want to do it manually. So I will just copy this code. Let me just zoom it a little. So I'll copy this code. I'll go to my Google Authenticator. So I want to switch to my Google Authenticator now. So this is my Google Authenticator. For those who are using Windows, you can easily download BlueStack to operate your mobile system. So just try to put a key there. So the key that I copied, I'll place it. I'll first create a name, my store. Create a name, my store, so that I can identify it. I'll place the key there. I have to put the code manually, so the code is now there. So this is the code that I need to place the key properly. It will log you in automatically. So immediately you put the key properly, it will log you in. But if the key is not properly placed in figures or how it is being given, it will keep repeating you creating a verification key from Google Authenticator. So what you just do is the previous one that you've entered, it means that the key you place in there is not correct. You delete it, you get a fresh key. You ensure that the key that you want to place in on Google Authenticator is actually correct. I first placed my store. I saw that the system wasn't accepting it, and that means that the key wasn't correct. I need to create a new one. I place it there and make sure it is correct. So immediately you place it there and you put the key properly, it will automatically log you into your dashboard, and you can start creating what you want to do. So I can just go to my store here, or click my store manager here, so to get started with and hold my own store. And that is if I did not register in a proper way. And that is why it's saying error, because I've not actually registered my store properly. So I need to go back to uh, the main website, get started with get my store. Excuse me. So I'll need to go to my store to get started with a store. Um, I think let me just go here. Let me just go down a little bit here. So I think this one we do. So you go back to the store. You click on sign in to just get your store account. So all I just need is to create my store, verify my email, send verification, and put the name of my store here. So note that if you are placing a name of a store, the system can reject it, especially if someone is bearing the name before. So if someone is bearing the name of your store, the system will reject it. But for now, I'm the only one bearing. So this is my new website down here. That is www.mw.ng/me/MWB hosting. So at the same time, once you are done with the registration of your store and all the configuration of your store, you can just request for a customized domain that you can use to run your store. So all you just do is you click on it, and you provide your store link, and this is my store link. That is what you will use in registering your new website, which will be www.mwbhosting, which is my store name, dot mwb.ng. So now this website will be activated for you, and the link will be embedded on it, so that once someone is clicking on the website, it will redirect them to your store. So, and I think that is our way.